it's Erica here from MGS Philippines. We are the top provider of cutting-edge home and business solutions in specializing in the most advanced smart lock technology. Introducing the Elite Pro Smart Lock, packed with 20-in-1 comprehensive features with free application that can be downloaded through iOS and Android users. Remote unlock with built-in Wi-Fi module wherein you can access anytime, anywhere. Voice intercom which enables you to communicate with your visitors. Video recording that captures activity in front of your door. Generate one-time, short, and long-term password and allows users to personalize their names. High definition and accurate tone cat-eye camera. 3D facial recognition where you can verify your identity through face detection. Screen display showing time, date, battery status, and settings. Password unlock via PIN code. Card access unlock through the inductive card area. One-tap key lock and built-in doorbell. Semiconductor fingerprint unlock. Hidden mechanical keyhole through manual key unlock. Atmosphere indicator in which can detect a person in front of your door. USB port for emergency backup power supply. 3.5 inches screen display that will serve as your peephole. Back screen controls, electronic switch buttons, and manual handle. Anti-theft lock which serves as your deadbolt lock. Large capacity wherein you can add up to 200 users. Rechargeable lithium battery operated. Feel free to drop us a message to know more about Elite Pro Smart Lock.